Is it just me, or is everyone else's friends obsessed with fitness at the moment? I swear I see more of my friends' meals and fitness regimes more than I even get to see them in person. Do your parents talk to you about how many steps they have left in the day as if it's breaking news? And how is tech helping people jump on this fitness bandwagon? This is Xiaomi's fitness bundle, including the Mi Band 2 and body composition scale. Ooh. It works by sending an electrical current from these electrodes up one leg and down the other, and then using algorithms to figure out your body composition. The basic principle of this tech is that the body is divided into conductive fluids, muscle, and non-conductive tissue. It can calculate 10 different body measurements. The amount of bone in your body, the amount of muscle in your body, the amount of water in your body, the amount of fat in your body, the amount of fat percentage in your body, the amount of fat on your organs in your body, the speed at which calories burn, your weight, your body type, and these 9 together equal your total body score. But out of all of these measurements, the only ones that physically appear on the Mi Fit scale is your weight. To view your other measurements, you have to use the Mi Fit app, which I found the interface to be super clear and easy to use. Conveniently, both the Mi Band 2 and the composition scales use exactly the same app. Under each of the 10 measurements, there's a great explanation that tells you everything you need to know about it. It also integrates well with Apple HealthKit and Google Fit, which will ask your permission to sync to. Now, I weighed myself multiple times during the day with the Mi scale, and I can tell you that the results were very consistent, and that's exactly what you're looking for in a scale, is precision and consistency. With a single Mi body composition scale, you can have up to 16 users, all with their own different Mi Fit accounts. And by their weight, it knows which user's which, so you don't have to go reprogramming everything between users. Oh yeah, and it's powered by 4 AAA batteries. Ta-da! The only downside I could find about the Mi body composition scale was the fact that it doesn't have Wi-Fi syncing. But I didn't find this much of an issue, because when you're using the scales, you're usually opening your app to check your measurements anyway, so Wi-Fi wasn't really necessary. The good thing about the Bluetooth is that I guess you could take this light, slim little thing on holiday. The Mi Band 2 looks and feels great. It has a tiny little button that lets you swap between heart rate and steps. You may be thinking, but one button, is that all? Well, it's a whole button more than its predecessor. The Mi Band 2 can track your steps, your calories burnt, and even your sleep, and I guess the time. It also has a pleasant vibration to it. Without hitting its single button, it automatically tracks your jogs, but sometimes it captures a little bit of your walk before and after.
Oh, hey Eli, hey, do you think you can give me a ride? It's raining and stuff. Just thought I could...
See you at work!
Yeah, that's what you get Photoshop in my face.
It's Ipx7 Waterproof, which means showers yes, baths yes, swimming pools you're braver than me. A con is that it doesn't track your heart rate, but does show you a reading when you manually check it. Also, I've been shown a friend's Mi Band 2, and he said that under extreme use, the glossy surface can be scratched. So unlike other fitness trackers under $100, the Mi Band 2 actually doesn't suck. And when bundled together with the body composition scale, the deal is even more worth it. Doesn't weigh anything. People have always been into fitness, but now I think it's even more accessible with tech such as the Xiaomi Fitness Bundle. By tracking all of your hard work and converting it into something comprehensible, you can now share all of your milestones with your friends, and maybe that can even lead to some friendly competition, which is great for encouraging both parties to continue to improve. Even if you aren't really into fitness, looking like you are is currently in fashion, with trends such as activewear. And if it looks like you're trying to improve yourself, people may take notice, and may even encourage them to get into fitness too. Regardless of how narcissistic that may sound, this cycle seems to only have benefits. And if you're not already on the fitness bandwagon, well, maybe there's a reason you should be. You want to get your hands on a free Xiaomi fitness bundle? All you have to do is enter in the comments below how much you think I weigh to the closest decimal point. Be nice. 1 million kgs! I'm the unprofessional intern Harry from PB Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!